Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to unfollow everybody on your Instagram account at one time, guys. So before we get into this, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away to one lucky viewer, guys. So if you want to win this, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial.
So here's how you get this app, guys. Just open up Google and type in the URL at the top, odexgen.com, odexgen.com. And then it'll bring you to this site right here, and all you need to do is just scroll down until you see the Instagram Plus app. So once you find it, just click on it, guys, and it'll say app tweaking required, and you'll see an orange button that says download Instagram Plus. So just go ahead and click this button, guys, and it's going to say tweaking app. So what this is doing, guys, is just preparing your phone to inject new coding and software into your original Instagram app, so you guys can have that unfollow everybody at once button. Alrighty, guys, then it'll say preparing human verification. So all this is going to do, guys, it's just going to be sending you guys to a human verification test to verify that you're a real person. So to verify that you're human, guys, just complete the 4 simple offers shown. So that will tell the captcha completion challenge that you guys are not a robot. So what you need to do is just complete the 4 simple offers for each app, install each app, and run each app for 30 seconds. And for surveys, just click on the surveys and it'll send you to a website, and then you have to answer a few simple questions. So just click on the survey, guys. I'll go ahead and show you how to do it. And it's going to ask you a few simple questions, so just go ahead and complete these questions, guys, and it's going to say please wait. And then, guys, it's going to ask you to confirm your email, so go ahead and confirm it. Just type in your email. Alrighty, then it's going to say thank you, email confirmed. So what you guys need to do is just go back and complete the rest of your offers, guys. So once you complete all 4 offers, then you'll have the Instagram Plus app. Download it to your phone, guys.
Alrighty, guys, so once you've completed that full process and completed those 4 simple offers, then you guys should have your Instagram tweaked to where you can unfollow all of your followed at one time, guys. So let me know how this worked out for you guys down in the comment section below. And if you have any issues, guys, just drop your social media and I'll be sure to DM you guys and help you out with whatever issues you guys are having. Alrighty, thank you all for watching, and before I go, guys, once again, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm giving away. So if you want to win this, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone. Alrighty, guys, I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching.